Hi, today we're going to be learning how to use an F connector on a coaxial cable. So first thing you're going to want to do is expose that center conductor and be sure not to nick it or cut the wire. So we can leave that a tad longer because we can just trim it later. And then you want to trim the outer black jacket about 1/4 inch. Make sure you cut it all the way. And then once you get that off, you're going to need to separate the metal hairs from that metallic insulator or the metallic foil, and make sure none of it's touching that center conductor there. Some of them can get stuck on there pretty good. So once you get all that apart, and make sure it's all clear, then we could take the connector and stick it right in there and just jam it really hard into the connector. And once you get it flush into the surface of that connector, that's when you're about good. So then at this point we can trim the center conductor to just a hair above where the connector is. So just like that right there. And then after that, put it in the compression tool and press it down. And there you have it. It's on there pretty good. That's an F connector.